This week we're talking about transformable spaces, and we're using the Schroeder house as an example of asking, is it possible for movable walls inside an interior to create openness and freedom, or actually is it an example of creating a kind of a prison in which people can live? And of course, we have to assess that based on how a space is used. And you'll see from the reading what I'm talking about. It's pretty short reading, and you'll get a sense one way or the other of how you feel. But I want to go a little bit deeper, actually, and ask if the modern movement in architecture and architectural interior design, if that modern movement is kind of restrictive. And what I mean by that is the modern movement's also often associated with a set of rules in how form and space are created. Obviously not using ornament, not using decoration. And if you look at Walter Gropius and Adolf Loos, these fellows were very interested in getting rid of ornament and replacing it with form, space, the use of light. And they had some very specific rules on how this all should be applied. But then the question is, are those rules really restrictive? Do they prevent creativity? And as interior designers interested in how space is created and how atmosphere, as we've talked about, is created, do you think that one's creativity is held back by rules? Or do rules help you order a space? And as you can see from a lot of our readings, the notion of order often comes into play. So my question is, how do you feel rules fit into the role of an interior designer?